Hi everyone, welcome to our adventure today. We're going to learn about something really colorful and important. Have you ever seen a flag waving in the wind? Maybe at a school, a park, or on a building? Flags are special pieces of cloth with designs on them. They tell us something important. Today, we're going to become flag explorers and discover what country flags are all about. A country flag is like a symbol for a whole country. It represents the people, the history, and the ideas of that country. Every country in the world has its own unique flag. No two country flags are exactly the same. Flags use different colors, shapes, and pictures. These designs are chosen very carefully. The colors often have special meanings. Red might mean bravery, white might mean peace, and blue might mean the ocean or sky. Shapes like stars, stripes, or crosses are also common. They can represent things like states, unity, or history. Sometimes flags have pictures of animals, plants, or other symbols important to that country. Looking at a flag is like getting a little peek into what a country is like. Are you ready to see some examples? Let's explore flags from different parts of the world. First, let's look at the flag of the United States of America. It's often called the Stars and Stripes. It has red and white stripes and a blue box with white stars. The stripes represent the original states and the stars represent the current states. The red stripes mean bravery, the white stripes mean purity, and the blue means justice. It's a flag full of meaning. Next, let's travel north to Canada. Canada's flag is bright red and white. In the middle, it has a big red maple leaf. The maple leaf is a very important symbol for Canada. The red color on the sides and the white in the middle are also important national colors. It's a simple but very recognizable flag. Now let's fly south to Brazil. Brazil's flag is mostly green and yellow. It has a blue circle in the middle with white stars and a white band. The green represents forests and the yellow represents minerals. The blue circle is like the sky, and the stars represent the states of Brazil. It's a very colorful flag. Let's go across the ocean to Australia. Australia's flag is blue. It has a small flag in the top corner called the Union Jack, which represents its history. It also has several white stars. One big star represents the states and territories, and the smaller stars form a constellation you can see in the sky there. How about Japan? Japan's flag is very simple and striking. It is white with a large red circle in the very center. The white color means purity and honesty. The red circle represents the sun. Japan is sometimes called the land of the rising sun. Let's look at a flag from Africa, South Africa. This flag is very colorful and unique. It has black, green, and yellow stripes forming a Y shape with red, white, and blue stripes around them. The design and colors were chosen to represent unity and coming together after a time of change. Each color has a special meaning about the country's history and future. Let's look at one more, the flag of China. China's flag is red. It has one large yellow star and 4 smaller yellow stars in the corner. The red color represents the revolution. The large star represents the Communist Party, and the smaller stars represent different groups of people united under it. Wow, we've seen so many different flags. Each one tells a story about its country. Flags are important for many reasons. They help people feel connected to their country. They are a symbol of national pride. People wave their flags to show they love their country. Flags are used to identify a country. When you see a flag, you know which country it belongs to. They are used at government buildings, schools, and on national holidays. You often see many flags together at big international events. Think about the Olympic Games. Athletes from all over the world march with their country's flag. When an athlete wins a medal, their country's flag is raised high. It's a moment of great pride. At meetings where leaders from different countries gather, you will see all their flags displayed. Flags help everyone know who is who and where everyone is from. Did you know that the study of flags is called vexillology? That's a big word. Some flags have been around for hundreds of years, while others are quite new. The flag of Denmark is one of the oldest country flags still in use today. Some flags look very similar because countries might share history or geography. We've learned so much about country flags today. We saw how they use colors, shapes, and symbols. We looked at flags from the USA, Canada, Brazil, Australia, Japan, South Africa, and China.